Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add a check hash option to your right-click context menu in Windows. So that way if you have some files you want to check the hash values to maybe compare them against the real values you found online, just to make sure you have the actual file you're supposed to have, you could easily do so with this add-on. Alright, so to do so we're going to be doing a simple registry edit. So I have two files here, one to add the option and one to remove it. So here's what each one does. Here's the add hash right-click option. So you can see it adds a lot of values to the registry here. And here's the remove option, which is pretty simple. It just takes away this one value here, or one key with everything under it. All right, so to do so, all we need to do is double click on the add hash right click registry file here. Click on run. Say yes to the UAC prompts. You'll need to be an admin to do this. So this is just telling us that it's going to be adding this information to the registry. So we'll click on yes to continue, and then OK. All right, so now we have this ISO file here. So if we right click on it, and for Windows 11, of course, you got to show more options or hold down Shift when right clicking. Now we have this hash setting here with all these different options here for different types of hash settings. So let's say we want SHA-1. So it'll open up a PowerShell window and then give you the hash value and then the path to the file. All right, let's do the same for this Adobe Reader executable. This time we'll do show all, and it'll open up the same PowerShell window, except it'll list everything here on one screen. Pretty easy to do. All right, then if you change your mind, you want to remove it, just do the same thing with remove hash right click registry file. And now it's gone. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download these two registry files and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.